I'm Lauren. I'm a software engineer. I got into this by my dad telling me I should take this CodeHS class in high school and never looked back. I went to Georgia Tech and got my undergraduate and my master's in computer science. I'm a software engineer at a company called Uplight. We do a lot of software for cleaner energy. Uplight has two kind of sections to it. One is demand response. So it's energy is the industry. We can control your AC units. And then there's also the side when you go onto your little website and it has oh, this is what we think your bill's gonna be, and this is what you use your energy on, and this is how you compare to people similar to you. We also do that software. I work more in that latter part, and I do mostly data engineering. So I make a lot of ML models and then pipelines to ETL that. So what ETL means is essentially we're taking data, we're transforming it in some way. So we're making it what we need it to be, and then we are sending it to a different location. I think what I would say to high school be pre-taking CodeHS to get more excited about it is it's just doing a puzzle. It's a game. It's fun. And it's a game that's applicable to life and will help you in the long run. And it's worth it. Another fun memory I have from my CodeHS class is we had a stuffed animal carol, and there was Coder of the Week. So a week you did really well or you just seemed very inspired, you would get to keep Carol, the stuffed animal dog. And the week I had her was break. So I got to go to Ohio, which is maybe fun. I got to bring her on a plane with me to Cleveland. It was fun. My first summer after my freshman year, I studied abroad in Barcelona, and specifically a computer science program, which was very cool. We got to see a supercomputer they have there. My summer after my sophomore year, I tried research, and I got to present in Portugal at a conference. And then after that, my summer in between my junior and my last year, I worked at IBM, which is where I had my first job. Similar data engineering, but in the context of internal networks. It can be hard to be a woman in this field, but you are worth it. An imposter syndrome hits everyone, but you can do it, and you're just as good as everyone else. The code will show that. The code doesn't lie.